Welcome to the Philippines!
Mabuhay! Magandang araw! I'm making this video on my 12th trip to paradise, aka the Philippines. Out of the 107 countries I've been to, this Southeast Asian nation is without question my favorite. Why, you might ask? Imagine 7,107 tropical islands in the South Pacific, loaded with unlimited beaches, year-round sunshine, and the happiest people you've ever met. That's the Philippines. I always feel welcomed here, and this smile never leaves my face when I'm with Filipinos. But it's not only me who is smiling. I mean, the country's slogan is, "It's more fun in the Philippines," so believe me, it's a happy place. Here are 5 reasons why the Philippines is my favorite country. The people. Filipinos are hospitable and genuinely the friendliest people I've ever met. Nearly everyone can speak fluent English, which takes away any language barriers, and they always greet people with a hello sir and a huge smile. Natural beauty. Pristine and untouched coastlines, volcanoes, never-ending greenery, white sanded beaches, crystal clear water, palm trees, wildlife. Name anything tropical and the Philippines has it. Affordability. The Philippines is one of the cheapest countries in Asia, which allows you to have more fun for less. Try $2 for this meal, $1.50 for a haircut, and 7 cents for a jeepney ride. Convenience. You can find just about anything you need from a street vendor or a convenience store. Need to get somewhere? Jump in a jeepney, on a motorbike, in an Uber, or on the back of a tricycle. Want an island hop? Check out Cebu Pacific for the cheapest domestic flight. Fresh fruit and coconuts. Whichever lovely island you're exploring, you can find fresh fruit and giant coconuts, which are so cheap and refreshing. But don't forget to try my favorite Filipino dishes called sinigang, sisig, lechon, halo-halo, and bulalo. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to visit the Philippines because it really is that amazing.